Right, so it's Friday the 17th of April. That means that tonight, in the UK at least, on Channel 4, Chateau DIY will be airing, and they're going to be following a project where we painted the entire outside of the chateau, which was an epic project. So we're going to pause the second floor suite renovation just for a little bit and cover some of the behind the scenes from this huge project. And then we'll come back to the second floor suite in a couple of weeks. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm out in another harness on the roof of the orangery, which is it's about 10 metres up, so it's still a little bit scary. It's okay if I don't look down. And I've got to sort this bit of the roof out because we can't do it with the cherry picker. It's higher than it looks. We are starting a really exciting project today. I say starting, we've actually had Chris's brother, his partner and her daughter staying at the chateau for a whole week, and they've already made an amazing head start. But we are going to be painting the entire outside of the chateau, which is really exciting because ever since we've had it, the place has looked beautiful, but I don't know, the paint has just been an issue. It just has looked a bit gross, and so it's always been something that's niggled me. And now we're going to be giving it the facelift it deserves. And last year, because we did all of the shutters, this is just going to finish it off, and it's really going to make it look amazing. So we have got a cherry picker arriving today. He came yesterday as well, and so they have already started the wall that's right behind the camera, but I'm not going to reveal the surprise just yet. But today we've got Chris, we've got me, we've got Chris's sister Laura, we've obviously got Si, Debs and Isabel, who I've mentioned already. We've got Chris's mum, we've got Chris's nephew and his partner as well. So we've got a big team, and in particular, Adam and Si are very experienced builders. So they will probably work at about 10 times the speed of the rest of us, but everyone will do the best they can. And yeah, we've got a huge amount of painting to do. I'm a little bit overwhelmed, I'm not going to lie. I've been looking around this morning going, what on earth have we let ourselves into? Because we've got Chateau DIY filming us, which does have a tendency to slow things down slightly, and we've just got so much to do. When you think about painting a room, that often takes like most of a day for bigger rooms, or at least certainly half a day. Looking at the scale of this, each little panel feels like it could be the size of one bedroom. So you're talking like 50, 60, 70 times. I think I've realised we should really have had the cherry picker for like a week, but we've got lots of helpers. So with all of us, I'm hoping we'll be able to do it, but it's very ambitious. So yeah, it's quite exciting. I better go and get the house ready, start waking people up, because I think the cherry picker will be arriving quite soon, and we need to be ready. So let's get going.
second floor, which is a little bit scary. But before I can start painting, I've got to get all the flaky paint off. So I'm using an angle grinder with a little metal brush thing to take off all of this loose paint. But it just seems to be working quite well. It just makes a lot of noise.
I've been running around all morning, like trying to make sure everyone's got what they need: paintbrushes, rollers, paint trays. And it turns out you need a lot for, I don't even know how many people there are. And then as soon as you say, oh, would you like a cup of tea? Then you hear everyone around the building going, yes please, yes please, yes please. So it's been a full on morning and I have actually done no painting. So I need to get on before Jalen accuses me of doing nothing.
I'll give you that one. That's the white. And then shall I give you the paint box, because we're not going to have to reach it now, are we?
Yes. Yeah, let's just, we can put it on this window so once you...
Lauren can give us it once I'm out.
Alright, what brush is which? So we've got, is that cream?
That's white.
And that's cream. What's the cutting in brush for cream?
The cutting in brush for cream is that one there.
That one.
Yeah. This isn't
Oh,
white,
hang on.
is it?
Is this meant to be white?
No, this is white, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm meant to be doing this white, right?
Yeah.
Cream.
Wait, but you're using the cream cutting in brush.
Yeah, I'm going to use the white one.
Right, we have started work on an epic job, which is painting the entire outside of the chateau. Luckily, we've got loads of helpers. So we have Adam here and Lauren and Viv, who is more the moral support. Sai, who's been an absolute machine and been here for a couple of days already up on the cherry picker. Yeah, and I don't know where my husband is. He's been missing in action for a while. But yeah, we're getting there. We're making good progress, but I don't know if we're going to have enough paint, and I don't know if we're going to have enough time. I don't know if we'll have enough cherry picker, but we will do our best. How are you finding it? How are you finding the paint, Adam?
Yeah, it does go on really well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's
It gives a good coverage.
taking to it well, yeah.
Even when you've got like, whatever it is, you know, like it's all bumpy, what's it called? When you've got the render,
textured stuff, yeah.
It does kind of go into the gaps quite well.
The crevices.
Yeah. But no, right now we're up on the second floor, so we're about 10, what are we? We're about 6 meters up. Yeah?
So how much paint have you got up there, the white stuff?
We've got, what, half a pot?
Yeah.
About half a pot?
Is this drama? We might not have
Is this
enough.
the last one?
Yeah, I've just done a spot check.
We've got a white masonry in the kitchen, back kitchen.
What's the one on that left there?
That's traffic, yeah.
Half in there.
Yeah.
Oh god, I think we're running out. We don't have enough. We're going to have to go and get some more because it looks like we're getting through it a lot faster than I thought. Okay, I will be back, or I might have to send Lauren or something. Good luck.
Dob
So
him in.
Chris has basically discovered that he hasn't ordered enough paint. So I think we've got plenty of the cream, but we haven't got enough of the white. So we're just trying to work out what to do about it. All of the jeopardy, but
It will be all white.
It'll be all right. It'll be all right in the end.
Not funny. Chris is pulling his hair out and we're just making light of it.
White of it.
White of it. Nice one. Like that.
I've been racing against the clock. Now all I do is chase the sun. I tell myself that I'm growing up.
It's just the moment what we're waiting for.
Every promise that I make just breaks another one.
How's your head doing?
I hate with people that I hate.
You're okay with height? You're better than height. I'll give you that. Stay with that.
It up, see there's still time. The universe keeps drawing the line. Keep me honest, hold me still. The quiet pulls me in again. I own the weight of the things that I've done. Keep me honest, hold me still. The quiet pulls me in again. I own the weight of the things that I've done, and find peace with who I've become. The world is moving faster than I ever thought it. My dreams are hanging by a thread. They slip before they should. I watch the sky and wonder if it's waiting on me.
The paint here is so flaky, I'm almost going to have to go all the way back to the concrete all over the place. It's quite bad.
I'm putting it off, see there's still time. The universe keeps drawing the line. Keep me honest, hold me still. The quiet pulls me in again. I own the weight of the things that I've done. Keep me honest, hold me still. The quiet pulls me in again. I own the weight of the things that I've done, and find peace with who I've become.
Right, so I handed over to Si on the cherry picker because he's just a lot faster than me. But I'm out in another harness on the roof of the orangery, which is it's about 10 metres up, so it's still a little bit scary. It's okay if I don't look down. And I've got to sort this bit of the roof out because we can't do it with the cherry picker. So I've just got to try and clean all of this wall. Particularly got to do the low bits because Si can't actually reach there with the cherry picker. So I'll be focusing down here, but glad I don't have to do that bit up there. It's higher than it looks. This is too flexible.
Stand on your head. We'll do it.
I really need better scrapey tools. It's like top priority.
What can we get you that's quicker than a scrape? Why don't you come in and get it?
No, I've got to get out of the. I've got to get out the harness.
Look at
Then.
that one. You're just like, ooh.
We really need to motivate Jolien. I'm a bit worried, like, he's not going to get it done at this current rate. He's doing it very perfectly and neatly, but we need fast and we need action.
What can you sing?
Sort
Are you a singer?
no.
No.
In the shower, maybe some people.
Dreams can come true. Listen, baby, I love you.
Yes. Should make a band.
Sorry?
Should make a band.
Yeah. He had such a promising career and then he opened his mouth. Have you got the gates?
Oh, he's lovely.
Right, we're making loads of progress, but we've finished the first day. The cherry picker's gone home, and got a lot to do, and we've only got the cherry picker for one more day, so I don't know if we'll finish. We might have been a little bit too ambitious this time round, but the team have been amazing, and yeah, I think if anyone can do it with this gang, we can do it. So tomorrow we'll just have to get up really early and work pretty much flat out all day long.